Hello there, Build-A-Bear fans. In today's video, I'm going to show you these 4 DQ Build-A-Bear Blizzard Bears, and I'm going to show you what they look like. First, we have is the Candy Blizzard Bear. It comes with a little cup that smells like smells like milk chocolate M&Ms. Smells good too. It's also got a picture of a blizzard on the feet. It probably have to be one of my favorite ice cream teddy bears. It's really cool. It's one of the best teddy bears ever made. Next we have is the cookie dough bear that comes with a cup that looks like a chocolate chip cookies. I wonder what this one would smell like. Let's see. Smells really good too. Smells like chocolate chip cookie dough. So I think is one of the coolest one ever made. Next we have is the strawberry cheesecake bear. I just love the colors, a bit of pink and a bit of yellow. It's got a strawberry on the nose. And here's the Blizzard cup that's got the strawberry cheesecake. Let's give a smell test. Smells like strawberries. And yeah, I think it's one of the most beautiful bears ever made. And here's one more. It's the most rare and one of the most very hard to find bear ever made is the Berry Blizzard Bear. He's got a cherry on his nose. And there's his Blizzard cup that's got the smell of cherries or something. So let's give it a smell test. It smells like fresh cherry and mixed with blue raspberries or something. So yeah. So in my opinion about these 4 Blizzard Bears, for these 4 over there of these Blizzard Bears, it's probably one of the best teddy bears ever made by Build-A-Bear Workshop. I got some of these from 2011 and 2012. It's really cool. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, comment, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and just want to say thank you very much for the support of the channel and for the 489 subs, and I really appreciate that. I'll do my best to come up with some more exciting videos. Anyways, thanks for watching, and bye for now.